attended by ABS-CBN Chairman and CEO Mr. Gabby Lopez, ABS-CBN President Ms. Charo Santos Concho, Channel Head Ms. Cory Vitanes, at iba pang kapamilya executives. Present din sa nasabing blessing ang ilang miyembro ng religious community, people from the entertainment press, former Pinoy Big Brother housemates na sina Tom at Princess, at mga empleyado ng Kapamilya Network.
Siyempre, alam mo, parang ano yan dream come true ni Mr. Lopez. Kasi siya talaga yung nagsabi sa akin, Father, gawa tayo ng chapel. Let's have an active faith community in ABS. So, siyempre, bilang pare, ang laking tuwa na magawa mo yun, na not so much the church, but the community we will build dahil sa simbahan.
Every first Friday, napupuno ang mga studio when we have masses. This time, di ba, we now have a chapel, so it may encourage more people to come to Mass.
Lahat nga daw ay welcome na magsimba at dumalo sa Chapel of the Annunciation ng ABS-CBN, kung saan magkakaroon din ng regular na misa linggo-linggo.
As of now, 12:05 every weekday, tapos pag Sabado, alas 5 ng hapon. Pag Linggo, I think 8 or 9 yung morning mass. Tapos sa hapon, merong mga, baka malamang siguro mga 5 or 6 p.m. na misa. Open to the public. Lalo na, nandyan lang ang audience entrance natin. So we will open this so people can come and join us for mass. Ano no,